Great plumbing tools that provide solutions. I contacted Milwaukee and actually talked to them and said, look, what tools do y'all think provide the best solutions for professional plumbers, mechanical contractors out in the field? And we reached a decision. And guess what? We're gonna unbox not just one, but 2 pallets. Oh my God, this is gonna be fun. You ever had like a kid in a candy store? This is my candy store. Now, guys, look, I'm a tradesman. I've been a plumber for years, and I love new tools. Just to look in here and see. Now, I know what most of this already is, but still, it's so exciting. I'm just gonna start them out in order, like right here on top. Oh man, see, this is one that I've wanted to, because this is one that I hadn't had yet. If y'all already got one of these, I wanna know what you think about it, because I love this. Milwaukee's redesigned the pipe wrench. And a lot of plumbers, and I see it a lot in the field, you see them, they've got a pipe wrench, well then they got another pipe shoved up on the handle because they need a little bit more leverage. Well, Milwaukee's made it really easy. You just unlock it, slide it out. Guys, don't you wish you could make your tool longer like that? Just unlock it and just slide it out.
Add a few inches.
I know, just add a few extra inches to it, just like that. Did you see how easy that was? I mean, watch this, ready? Guys, that's leverage right there. I do, I think this is great. I like the jaws, I like the way they've rebuilt all this up here. This is a cool tool. This is something I've been wanting for a while, so man, I'm looking forward to playing with this. Any of these tools that I'm going through today that y'all look at and you're like, oh my God, I've got that and I love it. I'd love to know your thoughts on it. Or if it's something you've just been wanting, I'd love to hear that too. Oh God, this is sweet. Oh, this is so much smaller than the other one I have. This is amazing, guys. Whenever I said that a while ago about being able to do something like this up in the air, this made it so much easier now. Literally, you take this clamp it on the pipe, it goes in right here. This keeps it from kicking or turning. Guys, this is an easy one-man job to thread anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1.25 inches. I love how, I mean, guys, this is not much heavier than a Sawzall or something. This is fantastic, and that's a great tool to have in your truck where you can take care of dadgum near anything. I know y'all can tell what it is already. Oh, no you can't. I got the label over on my side. Okay, so here we've got a drum machine with a 3/8 cable. What I like about this, you've got a closed drum, so this is good to use indoors. You're not gonna worry about slinging anything anywhere. This is great for showers, for lavatories, for floor drains, for kitchen sinks, anything inside the house. This is great. 3/8 inch cable, 75 feet, 1 to 4 inch drain lines. Every plumber needs a sewer machine that he can carry inside the house and not worry about making a mess. Things like this are fantastic. As you can see, I got the right side up. Now, overpack. You know what that means? They put too much goodness in this side box. Okay, now this is fantastic because we got to see them demonstrate this at WET. And I've got to tell you, this is something that everybody that came up to the booth was looking at and being like, okay, look, that's something I need on my truck. A high-speed chain snake, again, 1 to 4 inch pipe. But guys, these things are so amazing to work with. Again, it's not gonna leave a mess. These things here are really, really good. So having stuff like this, we're gonna have fun out here, I promise. I'm excited about this one. I've seen this. I've seen other plumbers use it. I've seen it demonstrated at Pipeline. I've seen it at conferences. Guys, really, this thing is so easy to set up and break down. Now, we've got a battery charger. We're gonna play with it here in a little bit, but if you've got a company and you run gas line, now here in Texas, plumbers run natural gas lines. So the gas company brings it up to the meter. Anything from the meter to the house is the plumber. Now, we run poly underground, we do things like that, but once it's into the house, we thread everything. Something like this will help you do a job for a big house in one day. This is gonna help you make money because it provides solutions each and every day. All right, we're halfway through Christmas. Well, almost. I got a whole nother palette here to go through. Let's see what we got. All right, so guys, look, this is a press tool, and this is what everybody's doing now. I get people that message me every day, say, look, we don't even carry a torch on our trucks anymore. Press tools are what people are going to. It's fast, it's good. You've seen us use them. We've used them when we had water in the lines and things like that. A great tool to have, a great investment, 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Everything you're gonna need for a residential house and then some. Like Milwaukee says, nothing but heavy duty. This is good. And guys, for my buddies that are in HVAC, we've got the ACR jaws. Guys, this is what we're coming to. Y'all understand this. Pretty soon, there won't be many people brazing out in the field. This is what it's gonna be, all press. And I love it. It comes with their little reamer. Great thing to have. And your tool to check your press. God, this stuff is good. Oh yeah. Okay guys, the battery power for your trap snakes. This is your way to upgrade from manual operation. This works with all your trap snake augers, 12 volt battery, the power right there in your hands.
Good.
All right, now, this is funny because most plumbers or mechanical people are gonna tell you, yeah, I don't use those. But I wanna tell you, having a pair of side cuts like this, I used to love. This is so smart because it keeps plumbers from using, you know, wire cutters to cut nails, to cut things that they shouldn't cut. But also just, you've got great pair of pliers here. So I love this. I think it's neat that, and when we talked to Milwaukee about this, to see that they had hand tools in there too, because like, look, these do solve problems. And I think it's a great thing to have. So I know I'm not an electrician, linemen don't get mad at me, but my little 9-inch lineman pliers, I love. Ooh, yeah. Anybody who thinks these don't solve problems, I'm gonna tell you, I believe you're wrong. Now, what I love about these is the markings on the end. You know which screwdriver you're grabbing if you've got them in a pouch, if you've got them in your tool bag. You can literally look right at the handle, right at the end of it, and see what it is. But they've also got them on the front. What is it? Flat blade screwdrivers, Phillips blade screwdrivers. 1, 2s, and 3s, and then 1/4 inch, 3/16, and 5/16. Guys, having something like this is great. Yeah, look, this is a great thing to have. I really do. I love having my multi-tool with me. I carry it with me all the time. But when you really need a screwdriver to do something right, to do something faster, I mean, look, I love this. But that doesn't do a whole heck of a lot, okay? Just to be honest. It's great to have in an emergency, but if you want to take care of your problems each and every day, you need a good set of screwdrivers. So this, to me, was a no-brainer. All right, so we got another one here. I remember the first time one of my plumbers came in with one of these, and I thought, man, really? And he says, Roger, I love it. And I went out to a job that he was working on, and I watched him remove a water heater, and it was just literally click, 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 and he had it completely cut loose, ready to pull out. These cutters are amazing. And the cool thing about this, 3/8 to 1 inch, same cutter, you just literally slide it on the line, squeeze your trigger, and it starts cutting. This can keep you out of trouble. Now, if you're a plumber, if you're a mechanic and you work out in the field, and you ever have to work in a wall or anything like that, that is where these can save your life. Literally, being a plumber, we have to work on the walls a lot. Mechanics use these all the time. And I love it because I bought one a long time ago. And for me to be able to have one of these, when you're working in a wall, this does a lot of different things. Number one, it's a 10-foot camera. 360-degree inspection. I love that the Milwaukee name comes right up on it. But guys, the clarity of these cameras, whenever you're looking down inside of something, I mean, look how good that is. I'm literally looking at the inside of the battery charger here, and I mean, look how clear you can see all that. Now imagine being a plumber and you're looking inside of a valve because maybe you're not getting water out through it. I've literally been able to stick these down inside there and been able to see a pebble and then take some little bitty tools and dig that thing out. So having something like this when you're doing service work and repair can be great, but also if you're having to cut into a wall. You know, we've got tools now that can show you where studs are and stuff like this, but used to, I would take a camera like this and look down on a wall and make sure that there's nothing there that I'm fixing to cut into. So they really can. They can save you a lot of headache, but another favorite thing of mine, you put it in and you can even zoom in. You got 360-degree rotation, so you can turn it, flip it whichever way you want to see it, but then zoom in case there's something you really want to get super tight on. 2x and 3x zoom. Guys, this can help you in spots that there's just no other way to see it. All right, now guys, this is the big dog. I love this one because, like I said, it's the bigger one here that I use to do all the pipe over in my other studio. And it made it so easy for me to do. This is just exciting. I love this thing. The first time I saw it, I thought, man, that's crazy. Somebody's gonna get hurt. They have built this thing right. This right here, I'm telling you, the first time I saw it, I thought somebody's gonna get hurt with that. And then when I really read the directions and learned how to do it and understand they've got a clamp system that helps support this and hold it to keep it from kicking or anything, I was like, oh my gosh, where has this been? Now, I grew up on a big bulky machine that I mean, you'd bust your fingers with pipe wrenches and everything else trying to do things. These threaders are amazing. And when Milwaukee talks about tools that provide solutions, this does. It does just that. And I kid you not, first time I used it, I was like, oh my gosh, I think I fell in love with this thing. Now, you talk about another tool that you need. I love installing Uponor. I think Uponor, once it was explained to me that Uponor keeps trying to shrink down to the size it actually was for the rest of its life, I thought, okay, that's a cool thing. And I've done some great waterline relays with Uponor, and I just do. I love the way that it works. Guys, one thing that I really love about Milwaukee is their one key. Track and manage your tools. You know where your tool's at. You know what's going on with it. One key does so many things to help you as a plumbing company owner that I'm just telling you, I love the tools that have them. They do come in handy. One thing to remember too, make sure you grease this up. Make sure you take care of it. Make sure you do things the right way. It comes with its grease. It comes with everything that you need. This one is good for 1.25 to 2 inch. And guys, if you're running that big 2-inch Uponor, man, you want a tool like this. It's gonna take care of it. I like it. It's even got the Uponor name right here on the front. So this is a great tool to have. They list this as the most compact 2-inch experience. Guys, if you're running 2-inch pipe, this is gonna save you so much time and money. And at the end of the day, that's what we all want. Okay, so we're talking the big press. And to be honest, it's not that big. This is smaller, easier, and lighter than carrying around a torch. I mean, even with the big jaws on it, that's a good tool to have. That is literally gonna make running 2-inch so much faster. And guys, ProPEX works. It literally works. I loved having these. I remember the first time that we used one of these, it blew my mind. we got a job that we thought would take us about 12 hours to do done in 2 hours. That is a labor saver. All right, guys, this is the magic. And I got to tell you, guys, I used to plumb back when we didn't have this. There were no sewer cameras. I don't know when they first came out, but I got to tell you, when these came out, it was like, oh my gosh, that is amazing. And I used to rent sewer cameras, and they were pretty good. But whenever I found what Milwaukee had built, the hub that interchanges in to the different size machines, I love the fact that, you know, sewer cameras in the readily open available came into the plumbing industry late 90s, somewhere around in there. And this is what we use out here at Leak Pro to train people on to do sewer line leak location and isolation. And I love having these tools. The fact that you can have an iPad, an iPhone, have them hooked up to both. If I'm up on a roof with this and I'm watching my iPad, I get that camera right in the sewer line where I want it to be able to show the customer. I can have my apprentice or another plumber in the house with another iPad or a phone and link to it and say, okay, look, I'm pulling this back and forth right here. Do you see that crack right there? And now they're in there showing it with the customer. Now, one thing that I do whenever I record this, I make sure to take the camera and show them their house, show them the front yard, show them the backyard. That way they know it's really their house. Because I hate to tell y'all this, there's a lot of shady plumbers out there that have a flash drive full of roots, and they'll plug it in and show people and say, here's your sewer. And it's really not. So I hate that. I love the fact that in almost every video I ever did, I made sure that I showed me. That way they could see I was wearing the same shirt. I'd show them the watch, the time, the date, the front yard, the backyard. That way when they watched that video, they knew 100% with no doubt that was their house. And I love that Milwaukee has made it so easy. We don't have to have the big monitors. The clarity that we get from the iPads and the iPhones are fantastic. Talk about tools that provide solutions. We've unloaded a ton of them today. Now, if you're a plumber or you're in the mechanical industry, either way, let me know what tools you think we should have unboxed here, and we'll see about getting those on our list for next time. And guys, remember, we teamed up with Milwaukee on this video because, well, man, they make amazing tools. So if you want any more specs on any of the products that we have here today, we'll put a link down below to take you to Milwaukee's website where you can find exactly what you want to find out about. I think Milwaukee makes the most amazing tools, and I love their battery plan, guys. Their batteries are never going to change. They keep making their batteries smaller, more powerful, and lighter for each and every tool they've ever made, and they're never going to change that. So special thanks to Milwaukee. I love y'all for everything y'all do, as do most tradespeople. Anyway, guys, we got some more videos to shoot now. See y'all soon.